Want to create some extra money? To travel or to buy a present? Maybe even to become financially free? Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online. 1. Print on demand. Are you a creative person? Would you like to become one? Then this might be the perfect way for you to relax and also make some money. But how? There are websites like Redbubble, Teespring, Printify, or Society6 that offer to pay you a commission for your sold designs. All you have to do is to create and upload your designs. You can use Canva to design online. Like this. Now I have created a simple design. Now all I have to do is to upload it and wait people to buy it. I will upload it to Redbubble. As you can see, it just took me a minute. Upload more designs to sell more. Two, sell photos. Do you like taking pictures? Do you take photos of special places? Would you like to try? Then this might be a great way for you to make some additional money. But how? There are websites like Getty Images or Vecteezy or others that pay you for uploading your photos. Three, Fiverr. Do you have any skills? Would you like to make money with it? Become a freelancer at Fiverr or Upwork.com. There are companies, content creators, and others constantly hiring freelancers for simple or not so simple tasks. Create a profile and offer your service. With more experience, you will also get more offers. 4. Answer surveys. Do you like answering surveys? Helping companies to perfect their products? Or people to do a research? Then this is a right method for you. There are websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or others that will pay you for answering surveys. 5. Create a YouTube channel. Do you play any game? Do you want to teach people about a skill? You could also just answer some popular specific questions like how to download music. YouTube offers limitless options for you to share knowledge or to make people smile. Go check some other YouTube videos about creating a successful channel and post your videos consistently. Now you might be asking if all this really works. Well, let me assure you that it does. Many artists and designers have already found success through these platforms. For instance, Wholesale Ted, Maru Hayata, or Sean Cannell. With their user-friendly interfaces, global reach, and marketing support, these websites have proven to be a reliable way for creative individuals to turn their passion into a profitable venture. So, why not give it a try and see the potential for yourself? Thank you and good luck!